Hello students, this tutorial is regarding some basics of HTML tags like hyperlinks, images and paragraph. Means in this I will show you how we can add some paragraphs into our web page or some images and some hyperlinks. So I am creating here one web page and saved as basic html.html into my folder and adding some basic structure of any web page like HTML head and body. Now I am going to use here one paragraph. For adding paragraph, p tag is there and p tag is paired tag, so we need to end the paragraph tag, and in between these two tags we need to give any paragraph contents. Like I am copying here. So this is the content of my paragraph, and I am saving the document, and if I run, then my page looks like this. So this is the paragraph. If I want to give some design to my paragraph, then I need to add some CSS effect to it. So I am adding here style tag to give some styles to my paragraph. CSS is used for designing our web page attractive. So I want to give some styles to this paragraph, so I am using here p tag, and in curly braces I am giving here some styles like border, two pixel outset light gray. Then this is my page and I am adding border to this. If I want to add some spacing between contents and border, then that attribute is padding. Suppose 20 pixels, then our page look like this. This is the space of 20 pixels, means content and border, between content and border spacing is the padding. If I use only padding, then the space added here at the four sides. If we want to add some left side spacing only, then we can use padding under padding dash left. But I want here four side spacing, so only padding is required here. Then if I want to change some font, family, and font size I want 20 pixels, so I am adding one by one here. I don't want 20, some 60 is sufficient. And this is my paragraph. Then if I want to add some shadow effect, box shadow, then this is the box shadow effect. If I want some width, here by default width is 100% as we see here, but I don't want to my paragraph in 100% width, then we can set width as 60% of the entire page. Then this is the paragraph. Then if I set height as well, height some 10%, then see what is the problem. The contents are displayed below this paragraph screen or paragraph border. So I need here overflow property. Then the contents are not overflowed as we see here. Or if I don't want scroll, then I can use the hidden property as well, like this. Only the contents which are suitable in the height, only those contents are displayed here, and overflowed contents are hidden. But we know we want some total contents, or if the height is 60%, then our paragraph looks like this. And if the contents are overflowed, then the scroll bar automatically displayed here. So we give the overflow as scroll, and height I am giving here 20%, or in this example 15% I am giving here. If I want to give some background color, some light gray, so this is my paragraph. I am not using these two properties now. So this is my paragraph. I can use border radius as well. It's 20 pixels. So 4 corners are displayed, corners are rounded. So this is the paragraph. Height will be adjusted according to my contents. If I am giving the contents more, then height automatically increase. This is the width of 60%. I am giving 60% here. If I don't want 60%, then I can give the width as only 30%. And my paragraph looks like this. So this is about paragraph. Now in next tutorial we will see how we can use images in our web page. And also here I am adding one more paragraph. In the same example, I am adding one more paragraph. Then our page looks like this, but I want this paragraph at left side and this paragraph at right side. Then one more property is there. See, which is the property. For both the paragraphs, here same effect is applied, or same properties, same styles applied here. But now I want some different properties for these two paragraphs. So I need to give ID here for uniquely identify each paragraph. ID is equal to P2 suppose, and if I want this is paragraph, and for P1 by using hash we can give the ID name, and for P1 I want some extra style which is different from P2, which is the float left, and same for the P2. Only the difference is right, float right. And if I run this page, then the page looks like this, but I want to display this paragraph at bottom, then I use here display block for both the paragraphs. Display is not working here. Then if I increase the width, it will automatically display. At the right side, I can use 50%. In previous example, we are given float left and float right, and this paragraph shown at this side because there is a space. If not enough space is there, then the element will be displayed on the next line. So I am giving here 50%, so this element is not for this element there is not enough space here, so this element will be displayed on the next line. So we can adjust our paragraphs in zigzag manner or as we want. If I want some spacing here at left side, then we know what is the property. For P1 I am giving margin left, so this is margin left 5%. Then here is the effect, and for right paragraph I want right margin right 5% same. So this is right margin, this is left margin. If I want the space between these two paragraphs, so I need margin top for this paragraph 2. So I am adding here margin top as well to second paragraph, 2%. I don't want 2 or give margin as per your choice. Then if I want some padding, more padding, then our paragraph looks like this. As we see here, the alignment